Hi, we are looking at integration. So there is no product or quotient rule for integration. We have to carry out multiplication or division before we integrate. Let's look at this example. So if you are given an equation like this, the first step that you should do is expansion. So let's say if I'm writing it this way, 3x plus 2 over x multiply 3x plus 2 over x. Okay, I'll start my expansion with multiplying this and this. So integration of 9x to the power of 2. When 3x times with 2 over x, you will be getting 6. Okay, similar to this term and this term, when you expand, you'll be able to get plus 6 plus with 4 over x to the power of 2 dx. You can also write it in index form so that it will make your integration easier. So integration of 9x squared plus with 12 plus with 4x to the power of negative 2 in index form. So now you can start your integration. So 9, the power will be plus 1, so it's 2 plus 1, so you get 3 divided by 3 plus with 12x plus with 4x to the power of negative 1 divided by negative 1. Simplify this equation, 3 and 9, so you will be able to get 3x to the power of 3 plus with 12x minus 4 over x plus c. Here we are going to look at another example where you are given x squared minus 2 divided by set of x. So to integrate this, first you have to simplify the expression first. So let's break this into two parts, over x squared minus 2 over x squared. So after simplifying, you are going to get x to the power of 3 over 2, because you take power 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 2 to the power x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, once it is in index form, so it will be very simple for you to do your integration. So x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1, so which you will get 5 over 2 minus 2x to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1, so you're going to get the power as 1 over 2. Simplify it. You cannot leave your answer in so many layers of division, so hence you will be getting 2 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 2. Okay, minus, bring the 1 over 2 up, so you are getting 4x to the power 1 over 2 and plus c. This would be your answer. Another way of writing your answer can be 2 over 5 x to the power of 2 and then set of x minus 4 multiply set of x plus c. So there are two ways that you can express your answer, 1 and number 2. Let's move on to these questions where you need to integrate the expression. First, we are going to simplify it. Let's begin with breaking it into two parts. So 1 equals 2, 1 over x over set x minus 4x over x and set x. Alright, so here when it is power 1, when it is power 1 over 2, it can be written as power 3 over 2. So to bring it up, so it will become x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Here x and x can be simplified, so it will give you 4x to the power of negative 1 over 2. Okay, when it is in index form, so our integration will be easier. So x to the power of negative 3 over 2 plus 1 you will be able to get a negative 1 over 2. Alright, so minus 4x negative 1 over 2 plus 1. So you are going to get positive 1 over 2. Continue to simplify the equation. So you are getting negative 2x to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 8x to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, don't forget to plus c. Or you can even write your answer as negative 2 over x set x minus 8 set x plus c. Okay, both answers are acceptable. Let us move on to this question. So expansion is needed, 2x plus 1 and then 2x plus 1. So when you expand, 2x multiply with 2x multiply with 1. So hence you will be getting 4x squared plus with 4x plus with 1 dx. So start your integration. 4x to the power of 3 over 3 plus with 4x to the power of 2 over 2 plus with x. Okay, make sure that you simplify the whole thing. So 4 over 3x to the power of 3 plus with 2x squared plus with x and plus c. So this will be your final answer. We're going to look at the last question. So we begin with expansion again, 1 over x and then times with x plus 1 over x dx. After expansion, this is what you're going to get, x squared plus with 2 plus with 1 over x squared. Okay, or you can straight away write it as x squared plus with 2 plus with x to the power of negative 2 dx. So let's integrate now. So you get x to the power of 3 over 3 plus with 2x minus x to the power of negative 2 plus 1 over negative 1. Therefore, simplify x to the power of 3 over 3 plus with 2x. Negative and negative give you a positive. So 1 over x plus c. So I hope by now you can understand that for certain equations we need to simplify first, either by multiplication or division before we start integration.